It's a lovely good morning to you. This is the radical farmer here at Organic Farm7. So, if there's one thing that makes the farmer very happy is to see his field flourishing. And right now, I want to show you how our organic orchard is faring. Very, very impressive. Very impressive, okay? So, you see, we have mangoes. We have a line of mangoes. And these actually fruited this year. And it's very impressive. Very, very impressive results that we are getting. Then we have a line of bananas that are also doing very well than usual. You can see how the bunches are actually coming out. Then we have lavender that we've planted randomly. But one thing that have impressed me so much is the avocados. Just look at how, and this is in a hilly place, over there. Oh man, Farm7 is getting better each and every year, undoubtedly. So if you are wondering, how is this Farm7 looking like? But trust me, Farm7 is looking better each and every year. Like, things are just getting better. You can see even the papayas, they are flowering. But next year there's a papaya. What's this? This is has avocado. So we are going to be planting. Between here we planted beans. You can see the beans has already germinated. But we have a line of papayas and some more avocados. So I love the greenery. And it's not just ordinary greenery. It is, the vegetation that is coming with our food. You can see there's comfrey down there and there's tithonia here. Then there's an orange over there. You're able to see the orange. And now what will surprise you is actually we are watering. If you can see clearly here, you can see irrigation is doing its job. You see, we are watering in rain season. So why are we doing this? Many of us stop watering when it starts raining. Okay? But that is dangerous, because when I was digging the ground, I discovered, when the rains stop, even for 3-4 days, plants dry out. So what did we decide to do? We said, no, we should not stop watering, because we want the moisture levels to go very, very deep. The rains have not come to take over irrigation. They have come to help us and replenish the water in the ground. You can see how the avocados are looking like. Very, very beautiful and very nice. Okay, so then down this side we have the roads. You can see we have the roads, and it's a mixture of different things. And neem, we planted our own neem, which we use to make pesticide. And here we have papayas, and we planted you see how the orchard looks like from this end. You see? And this is reality of things. Neem here, and it is growing. And neem is a very powerful pesticide. Then coming down this side, we have, you see how we've organized the rocks. You can be able to see. Here we have the papayas and how they are faring. You can see the fruits, and they have kept on flowering. So if you want to live a better life, if there's a way you do things. So I will encourage you to make sure that you water your plants, you plan for your field, you do the needed things when you still have energy. And that is very important. In the middle, we've put beans and also the herbs. So having said that, I'm wishing you a lovely organic afternoon. Stay blessed and stay super organic.